Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so very much for joining me. Today's video is all about the mega wow surprise inside eggs. Guys, I have done other videos. They'll all be linked in the description for you below. You have two versions. You have a pink version and a blue version. But today we are all about the blue version. So inside these little eggs, you're supposed to get a treat, which is delish, and a toy. These little eggs are £1 each. Are they worth £1? I don't know. I think they are. I think they're fun. The toys inside them are reasonably okay. But without wasting any more time, we're going to pop our egg open. It is always so hard to get these things open. Oh, okay. So let me show you guys what you get inside. Ooh. We get a little spoon and we get our treat. So these are decent sized treats actually for the price point. You're getting inside here, you get this. Sorry about my nails, guys. I didn't have time before I started doing this video to make them super pretty. I hope they will be for the next video. But inside you get this gorgeous little treat, and it's just enough. It's just enough for a treat. You get crunchy sweet biscuit. You get some milk chocolate sauce, and then you get white chocolate cream at the bottom. These are delicious. They're super nice. I keep these little things as treats for my nieces and nephews when they come. I do sometimes eat them because they are delicious, but I do try to be nice and keep them. So we have one for them. And then what have we got inside? Oh, this is actually a really big toy. I'm surprised for this type of egg that we've got a toy this big inside. But this is a pretty cute little toy. Look at that bus. I mean, that bus is worth £1 on its own. Is this a pullback? I mean, amazing. A pullback car. Bus. You hear those wheels? There we go. Look at how cute this bus is. It's plastic, but it's really sturdy, really well made. The wheels are awesome. I love the little pullback action. I think kids always find those a lot of fun. And I mean, that's a pretty decent little treat for any kid for £1. I mean, you're getting your chocolate treat and you're getting a toy as well. I mean, I think that's pretty nice. I love this little pullback action. Can we make you go again? Yes, we can. How cute. Look. This is probably one of the nicest toys I've got from one of these eggs. So I'm super excited about this little toy. Really, really excited about that toy. Let's go and see if we get something equally as amazing inside this little egg. Can we get you open? Let's get you open. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm not even being funny. If they expect kids to be able to open these, I don't know what. I just put my finger right through it. Okay, let's see. So, let's see what we've got inside here. Okay, again, so I'm trying to get the little treat out. Again, you've got the same little treat. These are excellent. I mean, you could even put these in their little lunch boxes, lunch pails going to school. I think they're just enough for a treat. Probably all you would need just to give you that little energy burst. And I just think they're super fun. What I tend to do is put a tiny bit of tape just on the back of the spoon and attach it so that when I store it in my fridge, they don't get lost. I have been known to lose those little spoons, but they're pretty good. So you don't have to take your own cutlery or send your own cutlery to school. So what have we got inside here? Again, guys, I'm feeling this toy. And again, it feels like a big toy for this type of egg. Let's go ahead. Wow. Oh, this is so cute. I'm just going to consolidate my rubbish. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. This is a little rescue team, almost Jeep type car. I love this typical roadwork yellow. It's a really nice color. I like the fact that they have the little rescue team on the back. The little so the crane at the back doesn't work, but that's totally fine. You can attach maybe another car here and pull it along. Let's see, is it a pull back? I think it is. Amazing. It's another little pullback car. I mean, I think these little treats are pretty awesome. Love these wheels. Look at this. Pretty sweet. So guys, I'm really happy with the content. So far, so good from these little blue eggs. I just think they're adorable. It's a $3.99 road 4x4. And can it get the job done? It certainly can. So guys, these are my little toys from my my wow eggs. I'm super happy. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I had a ton of fun making this video for you. If you did like the video, don't forget to smash the like button. If you're not yet a subscriber and want to join us, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you here. And if you have any comments or suggestions, I love suggestions, leave them in the comments section below. I will come back to you just as soon as I possibly can. Guys, please take care of yourselves. Please look out for each other. And please stay safe. I'm going to catch you next time. Take care, everybody. Bye. Bye.